to Sunday, and she hasn't gotten to that level yet, but she does look into it.
All right.
Yeah. She looks into it, and this is for all these people, all the people in here who can't see what's happening at the church. This is for all the people who may not totally understand what God is up to. Don't just abandon the scene and take off what you think is going on. Hang around for a while and look into it. Y'all ain't gonna help me in this house. I can't prepare to preach though. Listen, I understand that it's dark when you get there. Yeah, you can't really see what's going on around you. Right? Things don't look like they should, and you're scared, you're panicking. And the easy thing to do is to run and get some counsel from somebody who don't